Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg humba, a delicious Filipino stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilo of pork belly, cut into 2-inch cubes, and 6 hard-boiled eggs, peeled. For the sauce, prepare 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 2 cups of water. We'll also use aromatics like garlic and onion, plus bay leaves, star anise, salted black beans, and banana blossoms for that authentic taste. Now, let's begin the cooking process by preparing our pork. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. First, sauté your minced garlic and chopped onion until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Then, add your pork belly cubes to the pot. Brown the pork on all sides, searing it until it develops a nice color and some of its fat has rendered. This step is crucial for building a rich flavor base for your humba. Next, we'll create the flavorful humba sauce. Pour in 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of vinegar, 2 cups of water, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Add 3 bay leaves, 3 pieces of star anise, and a half teaspoon of crushed peppercorns. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for at least 1 hour or until the pork is meltingly tender, stirring occasionally. For the final touches, let's incorporate the remaining ingredients. Add 4 tablespoons of salted black beans and 1 cup of banana blossoms to the simmering pot. Gently place your 6 peeled hard-boiled eggs into the sauce, ensuring they are partially submerged. Continue to simmer for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the eggs to absorb the rich flavors. Finally, taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning with a little salt or sugar if needed, then serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.